That we get this out. How can you make Nokia look cool in the current market environment?
So I think let's go back to what made Nokia Nokia. Yeah, I think as a brand, it's always stood for helping enhance consumers' life through the use of technology, right? Giving them the benefit of that technology and giving them access to it. It's always understood its consumers extremely well and connected with them, yeah, and been highly relevant in that sense. And it's offered a value proposition that has always been something that consumers have been willing to pay a price for. Now, I think it's about, so far whatever Nokia has done has been to continue to build on those strengths. And what we've just launched our range of dual SIM phones earlier on, a few weeks ago. We are now launching innovations on the Symbian smartphone. I think what really Nokia does is not just innovate on hardware and try and focus on what the device has. I think it's about strengthening the what you can do with the device through the suite of services that we have to offer, which are so tightly integrated with the device that the experience is great, and that's what keeps consumers engaged. So let me give you a couple of examples. Yeah, messaging, email. We started focusing on the enterprise segment recently, and according to the Canalys report for last year, 50% of all smartphone sales to enterprises has been Nokia. Yeah, and that's been a stronghold we hadn't entered, but the offering has been attractive, and there have been companies like IBM, Asian Paints, GMR, Max International that have shifted to either Mail for Exchange or Lotus Notes Traveler. We have offered OB Life Tools you're familiar with, and we have 6.5 million consumers who are availing of the benefit of the information they get. We have over 5 million tracks that consumers can download. I spoke about OB Store, 8 million downloads a week. So the traction that our services have got has been phenomenal in just a short span of 2.5 years that we started off in. And I think that's what's really helping Nokia remain the leader in India. And just to kind of going forward, if you look at how Nokia is a brand, and even in the market like India, the brand resonated with consumers through the benefits of the category in the past, by giving the benefits of the category. It then moved by connecting, making itself relevant through benefits of features, camera, radio, so on and so forth. Going forward, the success will lie in giving consumers benefits of the ecosystem. And that's what really Nokia has been doing, building to over the last couple of years. So it's the devices, it's the services, it's partnering with other ecosystem players, the content service providers, e.g. ESPN. We tied up with ESPN for app that gives live updates, schedules, etc. on various sports, cricket, golf, Formula 1, soccer, etc. And we launched it, and in 45 days we crossed 1 million downloads. We tie up with operators because using data is itself a barrier for consumers. So we've tied up with operators to offer fantastic data packages on our devices, so that that leveraging of the entire ecosystem is something that Nokia as a brand has been doing very well.